Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Did you know that using a stability ball can engage nearly 100% of your core muscles? It's like a workout and a balancing act rolled into one. I have shown a similar video in the past, but I wanted to give everyone a laugh. Remember to also have fun in life. Laughter is a brain stimulant. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
Alright, now we're going to do Stability Ball Rollouts. Abs, upper back, chest, shoulders. Now what I want you to do is just basically you lay your weight on your forearms, on the ball, into the ball. Yeah, you want to be kind of off. Now straighten your body out. Legs back there. And for greater, or if you want a greater challenge, you can have your feet pretty close together. If that's too hard to balance, you can put your feet wide apart. Go ahead and put your feet wide apart. Yeah, you can put your feet wide apart, whatever. Now, as you get better and better at it, you put your feet closer and closer. So you're going to put your feet back to normal. Now, take a big breath in, you hold it, you roll out. As far as you can roll out. You can have your hands like that, clasp, come back, pull back, exhale. So as far as you can roll out. A good starting point is going to be 10 good, clean reps as far out as you can go. Now, stop. Now, if you can't go that far because you're not that strong yet, or you're not that, your balance and coordination is that off, then go a little bit, just a little bit. As far as you can go and still manage it. As long as it's still a challenge for you, it's difficult for you. Because that challenge, that difficulty is going to be different for each person. Now go all the way out like normal. As I always say, that's what you're shooting for. To get as close to normal, to back to normal for any move as possible. To do a few more. So over the weeks and months, what you'll try to do, you'll start with those little short ones. Do some short ones. Do some short ones. Now make them a little longer. And do them all the way. Good. Stop right there. So what you're going to do is you're going to try to test your own limit. Little by little. And the size of the ball matters too. We have a smaller ball here. He's pretty good at this. But if you get a larger ball, it makes it easier. So there's a couple things you can do. You can put your feet wide. That gives you a better base, better balance. If you're not that strong, you don't roll out as far. You roll out to the extent that it's hard for you, but you can still manage to do it. Or you can have a larger ball, which that's going to make it easier too. There's more surface area, so it's going to be easier to balance and control the ball like that. The smaller the ball, the harder the challenge. Alright? Good.
But in all seriousness, the most important thing is to have fun and not take yourself too seriously. Laughter is the best medicine, after all. Stability ball rollouts are a great way to get fit and make ataxia much easier in your daily life. Remember to always challenge yourself and have a blast while doing any exercises.